If you've ever struggled to extract text from large PDFs or complex documents, this video is for you. Today we're installing Unlimited OCR completely on your local machine. Developed by Baidu, Unlimited OCR is a powerful open-source OCR model designed to process long documents, tables, forms, and multi-page PDFs with impressive accuracy, all while supporting local inference. It introduces a new attention mechanism that enables efficient parsing of dozens of pages in a single pass without the memory growth typical of many OCR models. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to install Unlimited OCR from scratch, download the required models, configure the environment, and run it locally. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working OCR system on your own PC. No cloud services or paid APIs required. So let's get started. Click the GitHub link in the video description to visit the official Unlimited OCR repository. You'll find everything you need there, including the complete documentation, installation instructions, model details, requirements, updates, and troubleshooting information. One of the best things about Unlimited OCR is that Baidu has also provided an easy-to-use Hugging Face demo. If you just want to see how the model performs, you can test it directly in your browser before going through the local installation process. It's a great way to explore its OCR capabilities on your own documents and images without installing anything. First, to install you need at least 4 GB graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8, Python 3.10.11, FFmpeg, Visual Studio. Git for Windows. I have made a playlist on installing every dependencies you can check. Once you're ready, click on 3 dots at right top and choose Run Local option. Choose Clone Git option and copy Git clone code. Now go to folder or drive you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Paste code you copied to clone Unlimited OCR. Type cd then space then go to clone folder and copy its path. Paste that in command window. Now you are inside clone folder. Now create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now install PyTorch. First, make sure what your CUDA version is. To install PyTorch, go to main page of PyTorch and copy code matching your CUDA version. If you don't find your matching version, just copy any code and paste in command window. CU126 is for CUDA 12.6. For 11.8 it's 118. Change to yours and add torch audio before installing. Once PyTorch installed, go to main folder and open requirements file. Add spaces in Gradio, then save requirements file. Now in command window run requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, go to main folder and open app file. Remove from line 13 to line 25 and save app file. Now remove Transformers and Hugging Face Hub from list. Install these Transformers and Hugging Face Hub versions. Now run the main code running it first time will download models. When you see a local URL, copy and paste in command window. This will launch Unlimited OCR. To avoid running codes using it again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click this run file and use it anytime. To use, upload your image PDF file. You can prompt what you want to extract or do, then click Start. And that's it. Unlimited OCR is now fully installed and running on your local machine. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more AI installation guides, open source tools, and the latest AI updates. If you run into any issues during the installation, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.